Honorable Prime Minister of India is visiting Bengaluru on the morning of 11/11/2022. He is going to inaugurate various development programs on the day. Honorable Prime Minister is going to flag off Vande Bharat Express, which is going to help the Bengalurians and the people of Karnataka in a big way. If we cooperate half a day, is going to help us in long run. Therefore, I request all the cooperation from commuters. In view of this, we are going to restrict the movements of general public and commuters in some of the routes, particularly Mekri Circle, Kaveri Junction, Vincent Manor Junction, Ramana Maharshi Road, Basveshwara Junction, Legislature House, Udyoga Sauda, Seshadri Road, Anandrao Circle Flyover, Majestic and Railway Station. This restriction in these areas will be between 8 to 12:30 p.m. Again, from Mekri Circle, Habbala Junction, Kempegowda International Airport, elevated corridor will also be restricted for other commuters between 10 to 1 p.m. I request all the commuters to avoid these roads in order to reduce the traffic congestion and also the security risk. One more thing, I request all the passengers, air passengers who are coming to Bangalore International Airport to follow the instructions given by the airport officials. I request all the air passengers to look into the messages given by the international airport officials.